We call this place Iyamoko. Welcome to Iyamoko.
Yes,
in this place, we have some 3 shrines that we are going to touch. The first shrine is Shapona. This is Shapona, which in English, God of smallpox. Whenever you made a promise with the goddess and you refuse not to fulfill her promise, and she has given you what you want, and she refused not to, you did not fulfill her promise, and she answered your prayer. These are some of the gods she sent after you. We call it Obaluaye, but in English, God of smallpox. She control, these particular girls control all disease. All is in charge of every disease. You can see during COVID-19, they worship this God, and that was right today. COVID-19 never attacked them in Oshogbo land. Oshogbo. So in this place, this is where they worship God. You can see Ella, the only son of Eledumare, is standing in red, begging Eledumare. Eledumare is our God Almighty. So he's begging God to forgive these people because they have done what they don't supposed to do. And the gods is fighting them. So they are now pleading for forgiveness. So this is where they worship this particular God. Any question?
No question.
Some Yoruba history had it, and that Ella is what they call Jesus Christ.
Ella,
is it the same?
It's the same. It's not the same. Okay. In traditional line, Ella, you know his mother, but you never know his father. He paid a price until he went back to heaven to join Eledumare. Okay. Huh? It's not the same thing. It's not the same thing. But when you look at it in religion line, is this when you look at it, it's one. But the way it was presented, like this one, Ella, in Odwifa, his body was slashed. His body was peeled. He was cut into pieces. He was destroyed. But still, at the end of the day, in pain, Ella's leg never touched floor till he went back to Eledumare in Odwifa.